Okay, so in today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to install the rear left indicator of Triumph Speed 400 because I recently lost it somewhere. So here we have the original Triumph indicator. I bought this from service center and it costs around 1100 rupees. So let's see what all we have here. This is the original indicator for Speed 400, rear left. We have to make sure that this socket is intact and the same socket will be here. Okay, so in order to open this section, first what you have to do is you have to lose this indicator, the right one. Then there are two bolts over here. One is this, another one is this. This is 8mm nut. Then we have one Allen bolt, number 4, this one, and these two. So all three Allen bolts, 4mm, and these two 8mm bolts first I have to open. So first we are going to use this Allen 5 key to open this indicator. Don't need to remove this indicator, you just need to lose this up a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to use number 4 Allen key. First we have to remove this bolt. Then lose these two as well. In order to remove these two bolts, I am going to use either a 8mm socket or 8mm T. So this is 8mm T. Remove this reflector. Okay, you have loosened up this indicator. Remove this reflector. 3 Allen bolts we have removed. Now you have to smartly loosen this up a little bit. Okay, now you can see here we have that socket. So you have to remove this broken indicator wires from this socket and install the new one. This is the broken one. I can use it later on if I'm going to install any other indicator. So this socket will going to be helpful, so keep it with you. So as you can see, we have connected the clamp, although it is little difficult. Single-handedly it is not easy, but you need 2 hands because one person has to lift this up and another person will connect these sockets. So, and I have to check before putting all the bolts on its place. So what I will do, I will check that all four indicators. Okay. So now we will put all the parts back to their original position. First will be the reflector, like this. Now you have to put all the nuts and bolts back on their position. So first I am adding the reflector. This Allen bolt, the first one will go here. It's number 4. Final thing will be to put all these bolts back.